What is going on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today we'll be bringing you a technical analysis on the ticker symbol MVIS microvision. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am bullish on microvision. I do see their technology. Everything they got is just very, very cool. It's very innovative. Not a lot of people are doing what they're doing, and they do have automotive lidar, which is huge for EVs, and they're teasing that they have the best, the slimmest, the most aesthetic, and the best in class lidar. So with that being said, this isn't a due diligence video, so let's get into the techniques. So you can see that we definitely have been disrespecting supports lately in this ugly market sell-off. We have been going right through them, but we did have a head and shoulders pattern right here, which I think did kind of contribute to the market sell-off of technology stocks. So I think it really did over. I can't find the word, but I don't think we would have went this low if we didn't have a head and shoulders with the market sell-off. You know what I mean? Like if it was just a head and shoulders without the market sell-off, I think we would have cooled off right here. So, but anyways, I'm not going to speculate, but you can see that we did regain support at $12.47, which is good. Keep an eye on that. We did bottom out currently at $10.47, which if I scroll over here, $10.47, you can see that this is a nice little support. So keep an eye on that. Also do have some lines at $9.65, as you can see over here. We have a lot of candle wicks touching that. That was a resistance at one point, and then we broke out of it. So keep an eye on that. And then I do have one. Never mind. That's all the support. Sorry. So let's go to resistance. You can see that we have resistance at $14.22 currently. You could move it down a little bit and say it's roughly that 14 mark, but I'm gonna keep it around there. As you can see, a lot of candle wicks are touching around here, 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 and here. So keep an eye on that big time. So yeah, it's been really, really ugly. We just have been selling off and a little bit kind of bear flags here. You can see we go down, and it's a little bit like, we're kind of doing bear flags, but I do think this is a good step in direction, because if you look at the bounce backs we've had previous, they're nothing really too significant. This is a kind of aggressive bounce back for what we've seen. So that is pretty cool. We did get a bullish engulfing pattern right here, which is a bullish sign, and then we ran off that. We currently are above the the red line right here, the 9-day EMA. So we are bullish in short term on the 1 hourly, and we are bearish on the 1 hourly though for the 200-day MA, which is more of like a long-term support resistance. So the longer we can ride this out to get up to here, that's the best case scenario for the stock. So a little bit of a doji here too, forgot to mention, which does form indecision, but then we had a wide bar after with a little bit of price rejection, so not a wide bar, but then we had another doji, but then we had a hammer candle. So I think this hammer candle could signify a possible run up, because it's right after indecision candle, and then we got a price rejection. So I do think short term, if the market isn't bleeding, it is a good possibility that we see a little bit of a run up on MVIS. Let's go to the daily though. You see on the daily that we are at 47 on the RSI, which is undersold territory, especially for the stock and the trend we've been setting. So you could see this as a bad thing, that it's going to go all the way down, or you can see it as a good thing where this is a good time to hop in while it shoots back up and the momentum builds up. I do think the closer we get to April, the RSI will pick up big time, the momentum. I think it's only 4 weeks from now, which is a big catalyst, which a lot of people are sticking around for in MVIS, which I am personally as well. So on the daily, you can see that we have price rejection, a hammer candle. We are above the 200-day MA on the daily, which is good, and we are currently under the 9-day EMA. We did have a big bar of volume today. It was red though, so you don't like to see that. We are in a death cross currently. It is kind of widening out, which isn't good, but hopefully this hammer candle, which shows low price rejection, can boost us up to regain new supports and break resistance. So with all of that being said, I don't want to waste any of your guys' time, so I will end the video right here. If you made it to this point of the video, please like, subscribe, all of that, and I will see you guys in the next